So today I have come here on this road just to practice English, just for speaking English uh, with myself. And look at this scenario, how beautiful it is looking, you know, and how many things you can see here. There are many date trees are here, and it's a ground of volleyball players. So many people play here volleyball, and have a look here. There's so many paddy crops are also, and so many trees also. And I mean, the view is very beautiful today. Look at the sky is looking black because it is cloudy weather today, and it is drizzling, and it has been raining for 3-4 days, intermittently. And there are 3 ponds here. It's a very congested, it was, now it is not, but so many people come here. It is very congested place, it's a very congested point for the people of my village. There are 2 ponds, and one pond is there. And yeah, here it is, it's a pond here. And if I talk about, it's a tank here, but it doesn't provide us water. I don't know why. And have a look here, there are 2 ponds here. One is there, and the second one is here. And look at this wide. Actually, it is a horticulture. It is made for cucumbers, and 2 people are just coming because they are going to their work by the train, I think so. And so yeah, if I talk about this horticulture, this horticulture, this wide in this horticulture, what happens, you may be aware about it. They are growing the what do we call it, cucumber. They are growing cucumber in this horticulture, and there are many veins of the cucumber are growing here. And I don't know how they are growing it, because as you can see, it is covered by this thin sheet, and it is not getting proper air, it is not getting proper sunlight, it is not getting proper water also, because there are some pipes also are joined with this thin sheet. And this thin sheet is not letting the water, this thin sheet is not letting the water come down. And because of this thing, it is not getting proper water. Just because of these pipes, just because of this thin sheet, the water is not coming down. The water is not falling down, and it is coming through those pipes. You may be saying that I am just walking here and there and not showing you something else. Okay, so now you can see here, pipes are joined, with that drain on that roof. On the roof there is a drain, and that is connected with the pipe. So the water is go through this pipe, and in this way the water goes outside. So why, I mean, how they are growing it, I don't know that how it is growing, but somehow they are growing it, and they are selling also. So so as you can see, the person is going, and he's just talking to someone, and so many people are just going towards their work. So I think you may be getting bored by seeing only this view and not seeing the face of mine. So now, as I showed you so many things in my village, and every single day I used to come here before some time. Nowadays I'm not coming, just because of some reasons. I will tell you after some time. So it's just greenery of my village, it's a beauty of this village. So if I talk about the point why I am showing you, why am I just talking about these kind of things, this nature and this type of describing things. I just want to say one thing, my friend, learn how to describe the things. You know, we speak English language, just very simple things every single day. If we are able to speak some of the things in English, then we think that yes, today, now I am able to speak English, there is no problem. But when it comes to describing something, when it comes to speaking about something, when it comes to speaking something like any topic and any type of thing, we may face problem, we get stuck, we feel nervous, right? We fumble, we stumble, we make many mistakes. So the gentle breeze is blowing here, so that's why my hair is, you know, waving and flying here and there. So yeah, if I talk about the point, my friend, if you really want to speak English language, it asks so much time, you know. We have to give so much time, we have to speak it again and again, you know, every single day. Don't think about that I think after 6 months, after 4 months, after 5 months I will be able to speak English language fluently. No, even any fluent speaker doesn't say this line that after this one, after that one, I will be able to speak about this thing. No, because he knows that everything is new. If he wants to speak about something new, then he should have knowledge about that thing, and he should have that kind of knowledge, that how to describe it in English, you know. So that's why I'm saying that, my friend, just it is very important, it is very necessary, and it is time taking process. We can't speak, we can't achieve fluency. Even today I am speaking, I'm making mistakes, I'm not speaking fluently, you know. So, I just want to say one thing, we can't speak English language fluently in 6 months and 4 months and 5 months. No, we can speak, but not fluently, not all the things, you know. We will have to learn about everything once, you know. If I am just walking here, I don't know how to say this thing. Once I will know about it, then the next time when I will try to speak about this thing, I will be able to, I will be feeling comfortable while speaking this thing, right? Getting the point? So the point is, we have to just observe it, we have to make it as a habit. You may be seeing this umbrella in my hand, because I am just keeping it because it was drizzling. Before some time it was drizzling, and now it has stopped drizzling, and may rain after some time, or we can't predict about it. Okay, so I just want to say one thing, don't be impatient, just keep doing, keep learning, keep speaking every single day. Okay, and I know that my videos are not good, I know that I'm not speaking better, I know that I'm not speaking good, but the way I'm speaking, I'm just pushing myself towards my achievement. I am pushing myself towards the fluency, I'm pushing myself to achieve fluency, you know. So let me do whatever I'm doing, let me make many mistakes, whatever I'm making, I am learning from it, and I am learning so many things through these mistakes. Every single day I'm improving my English language. Okay, so you also should improve, and if you are able to speak, so it is very good thing for you, I appreciate you for this. And if you are not able to speak, so my friend, just don't think and don't lose your motivation, don't lose patience. One day you will speak, okay, and one day we will speak. So just keep learning, keep speaking, keep practicing, and one day we all will speak English. Okay, so these kind of things I wanted to share with you, these kind of things I wanted to show you. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.